Why hello chanceians, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell, today I'm going to be baking instead of doing my makeup. So I'm going to be baking my stunting peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into it. And they're vegan. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into it. So first I'm going to take my vegan butter and I'm going to take a half cup of it and just put it into my bowl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the white sugar, a cup and a quarter of white sugar. If I can get this package open. I got the blender hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the butter and the sugar together. Now that that's good, I'm gonna go ahead and add the peanut butter. Just adding a little bit. Now putting all of that into the mixture. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend them together again. So you're going to go ahead and put that aside. And what you can do is take a paper towel and just lay the blender on there. You're going to put that aside. Get a new bowl and add flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and get the flour, just smelling that peanut butter, makes me hungry. I do love a good peanut butter. So what you're gonna take up 1.5 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna take a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You don't really need a 1/2 teaspoon. You could just use like a pinch of it if you're trying to watch the sodium. And then you also will need a teaspoon of baking soda. And then you're gonna add all of the other ingredients in that you had just blended together. And then you're going to go ahead and just mix those together. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your vegan milk and add 4 tablespoons of, well, I guess it would help if I had 4 tablespoons, but each tablespoon you're gonna still mix it. You're gonna mix each tablespoon. I'm using coconut milk. You don't have to. You could use soy milk or regular milk if you're not going to do vegan chocolate chip peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Then you're gonna add another one and another one. Just go ahead and mix them in. Take that spoon out. Just pretty much pushing it in. And then press it down a little bit. Are gonna be pretty big cookies because I'm using a big cookie dough scooper. You can roll the dough, it doesn't matter. I just like using a cookie scooper. So now that all the cookie dough is dispersed, I'm gonna go ahead and put them into the oven for 17 minutes. I did make some that were bigger, some that were smaller, and we're going to go ahead and start the timer for 16 minutes. While we clean this mess up, and I will see you when the cookies are done. So now that the oven's going up, I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. I'm going to go ahead and take the cookies out. Some of them do, and like depending on the size and it expanding, it does tend to crack a little bit sometimes. And then there we go. But everything is still together. And turn the oven off. And just pretty much let the cookies cool down a bit while. And it doesn't matter, it's still gonna taste good, obviously. But just let the cookies cool down before you go and eat them. So now that they're cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and take one off of. And they're not, some of them are will fall off. But let's go ahead and try it. Well, I already know how it tastes because I've made them before. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat one anyways. Just love the texture of these. It's so perfect. Like the gooiness of the chocolate chips. Right amount of chocolate chips, right amount of peanut butter, everything. Now don't drop it or it will fall apart. I'm not eating a hockey puck here. Spot on. Way to go. And the one thing I love about these cookies is that the inside's really soft and that while the outside's like baked. Ooh. Just love it. And it's the right amount of like sweetness too. I want to have one of the big ones, but that'll be for later. That'll be for later. Imagine me being a DJ. Sorry, Paris, and I stole your job. Nobody could ever replace Paris. But it is now time to go ahead and plate these cookies. So now that they're plated, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up in the section down below. Don't forget to leave a comment down below any video ideas you want me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Bye guys. Love you. Hope you guys make these cookies at home and don't forget to tell me how you like them. Bye.